In this video, I will show you how to cancel domain and get refund from GoDaddy. Now, we have in here this help article from GoDaddy, and if you want to request a refund from them, you make you need to make sure first that it needs to be a purchased product from mobile app store like Apple App or Google Play. So they recommend to review the refund policy. You can click on this link right here in order to see the refund policy of GoDaddy. So they have a refund period. You can cancel a product anytime, but refund will only be issued if your guest refund to GoDaddy's customer service within the refund time frame. Now we have in here this. If you're eligible, you just need to delete the product or service on the domain that you want refunded. Then after that, contact the GoDaddy guides to request a refund for eligible deleted product. So once you have deleted the product, you can head over and then make sure that it's not your own in that case.